In this video, we will be discussing the Java Executor framework and how it can help you write efficient multi-threaded code. First, let's talk about what the Executor framework is. It's basically a set of interfaces and classes that provide a high-level API for launching and managing threads in your Java application. The framework provides built-in thread pooling and thread lifecycle management, which means you don't have to worry about managing threads and resources manually in your code. To use the Executor framework, you first need to create an Executor service. This is done using the Executors class, which provides several factory methods for creating Executor service instances. For example, the newFix3pool method creates a thread pool with a fixed number of threads, while the newCache3pool method creates a thread pool that can dynamically adjust the number of threads based on the load. Once you have created the Executor service, you can submit tasks to it using the execute method. This method takes as argument a runnable object, which represents the task you want to run asynchronously. For example, let's say we want to execute a task that prints task running in thread X, where X is the id of the thread that's running the task. We can do this by implementing the runnable interface and overriding its run method. By submitting the myTask instance to the Executor service, we can have the task run in a separate thread from the main thread of our application. The Executor framework also provides a future interface, which represents the result of an asynchronous computation. You can obtain a future object by submitting a callable object to the Executor service using the submit method. The callable object is similar to the runnable object, but it returns a result when the computation is complete. In this code snippet, we create a callable object that returns a string message containing the id of the thread that executed the task. We submit this object to the Executor service using the submit method, which returns a future object. We can use the get method of the future object to block the main thread until the computation completes and obtain the result. That's it for this Java Executor framework tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!